Okay. Yes, Mr. Chawla. No, I wanted to underline that you're saying this could be the last OFS for a while in Hindustan Copper. Just want to understand that bit a little more. And also, what are the kind of expectations that you have penciled in? Having said that, the pitch that you've talked about is very apt. This is a stock and this is a company that the street is very interested in.
Yes. For those who know the market and who track market history, we've already had 6 OFS in Hindustan Copper over the last 10 years since 2015. And this is the big one because we are offering 6% on block. And with this, we would have completed the journey. We listed it initially, when it was 100% government owned. And now over the last 10 years, we've now come down to 66, and this will come down to 60. And we're leaving a little margin for the company to mobilize capital on the markets, to be able to invest it in mining that is modern and technology intensive, and be able to use that margin for its capital investment and its sustained growth future. That is what I mean. And this essentially then is the 7th offer for sale as far as Hindustan Copper is concerned. But this one is for the investors. This is for the small investors. This is on the market, and it is on the money, so don't miss it.
Okay, that's great. Just wanted to understand which are the other large OFS transactions that you have in the pipeline, whatever you can share, sir, with us. Is it, for example, BHEL, one of those which could come in? Because 9 have been done. How many more?
Good question. Good habits once built up last. I would never even inadvertently reveal which one next. But yes, good habits last. And investors have reposed their faith in us. You saw what LIC OFS, the response it got. It was overwhelming, unbelievable. And we will continue to be with the investors, and we will continue to keep coming with market offers. And we believe, and we have evidence to show this, that public stocks in portfolios, whether it's a mutual fund or a growth option, or you build a portfolio yourself, public stocks are useful. They act as a hedge. All the recent turbulence we've had in the market, the public stocks have relatively held, and they promise fair dividends because they're backed by a very fair public policy. I will leave it at that.
I think we take the hint from good habits once built will continue, but I can't help but asking which one next, and it's fair that you won't answer. But I do want to ask you that 80,000 crores, Mr. Chawla, is the target. You've already hit 52,000 crores in FY27. Do you expect to comfortably exceed this target?
I would say we are working hard, and we will achieve the target, and we will continue to work hard. More than targets, we believe in outcomes. The outcome of this exercise is good because we are sharing public health with small investors. And I think that is the big statement.
Okay. When we speak to analysts, one commentary that often comes about, and I'm tempted to ask you about this, is does the government miss timing on when really to come in with these offers for sale or when to really monetize some very, very valuable assets? Does the timing get missed, or does the government get the timing wrong? Just wanted to get your view on that and this debate. Because there have been headwinds, there's been the question that is this the right time? Do you look at what the atmospherics in the market is when you make these decisions?
Yes, we do. We now have a market research unit within the department. We do research independent of market players and the merchant bankers. We have an operations room which we call Kurukshetra. All I can tell you is we don't miss it anymore. and we ensure the markets also and the market players also miss it reasonably so that the surprise is there for us to make market operations succeed.
That's fantastic. So what is the sense you're getting from Operation Kurukshetra on whether the timing is right in the remainder of this financial year?
Well, take today's example. Throughout the market hours yesterday, everyone expected a different metal, but end of the market yesterday, a different metal came on the block.
So
the prices held up and everyone mobilized liquidity, and now they are pleasantly surprised because they have a good offer they can make money on.
So is this the only metal on the block then?
You will not be able to get any transaction-specific information from me,
Okay.
but let's celebrate what is on the table today.
Okay, let me ask you one more question, sir, if you will allow me. What is the dividend picture looking like for CPSEs after what has been a stellar FY26?
You see, the first half, the dividends come in the second half. The first half is only the residuals of the previous year and maybe a bit of special dividends here and there. Dividends, we have a plan, but you will see that plan becoming active in the second half, which is when the dividends